Hey, what's up, friends? My name is Michael, and on this channel, as you all are aware, we discuss about how to start and run successful small-scale businesses. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the Schoolchalk profitability, how much you should expect if you want to enter into Schoolchalk business. Watch this video until the very last end. It is going to guide you on a lot of things regarding commercial dustless Schoolchalk production business. Every day here, we normally discuss about starting small scale businesses. So we have been in Chalk for quite a number of years, and after now we decided to a little bit be out of that. Then we discussed about kitchen gardening, and I have been taking you through all my project about kitchen gardening. Now today I'm here yet with another exciting video about Schoolchalk. Of course, there are very many people outside there who have been asking me a lot of questions in my inbox about Schoolchalk profitability, and this is the reason as to why I'm here today to actually address some of those challenges. So how much can I make from Schoolchalk if I decided to start as a small scale manufacturer? Of course, I will start with a few machines that we use for Schoolchalk production. We have clamped molds, and they come in different sizes, but for us we recommend and sell normally two sizes. So we have the 100 cavity mold and the 200 cavity mold. Of course, prices vary, and also they keep changing depending on the season and also forces of demand and supply. So I may not be able to share prices here, but if you need to know more about the prices of the molds, please feel free to come in my inbox, WhatsApp me, +256 974 7033. So then these molds come in two sizes, as I've told you. One is 100 cavity mold and another one is 200 cavity mold. So we have also the IMM gunmetal machines. These come in two sizes. One makes 400 chalk sticks after every 10 minutes, and that is the 400 cavity machine. And also we have the 800 cavity that makes 800 chalk sticks after every 8 minutes. So all these machines can be good from us. So how much do you get from one bag of POP? Of course, one bag of POP price currently is at 70,000, and that is 40 kilogram. A bag of POP. Of course, that makes 12,000 chalk sticks, and 12,000 chalk sticks actually make 80 small boxes, each of 150 pieces. So if you get one bag of POP, you can get 4 cartons, because each carton accommodates 20 small boxes. So at minimum, you can sell each carton at 50,000. That is the minimum price. Others sell 60, others even 70, but we shall count at 50,000. It means you are able to raise 200,000 from one bag of POP that you bought 70,000. That's exciting. So there are some other costs like boxes. 80 boxes is 40,000, and that makes 110. Even if you calculate the lubricant of 10,000, it makes 120. So you can easily make 80,000 as profit from each bag of POP if you decided to enter into Schoolchalk production. In case there is any concern or anything you want to know regarding this business before you invest in it, kindly feel free to come in my inbox or comment with a question that you'd like me to tackle in my next video. Schoolchalk production, I would say, is one of the most profitable ventures. I recommend you to start in the year 2025 and beyond. So thank you so much for always sticking on this channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you have any other concerns, put this in the comment section. We meet next time. Thank you.